In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grab food voucher codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Grab food voucher code. Go to this website right here, which is called Coupon Nation. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts and some benefits. So for example, let's say that you want to get this one with a 20% discount. Simply select this button right here where it says see promo code. And this is a promo code right here that you can copy and you can apply it on your store there to get a 20% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website right here, which is called Word20. And here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use to get some benefits as well. So if you want to get this one with a 50% discount right here, simply select this button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy and you can apply the promo code on your store there to get a 50% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.